Hello!
Welcome back.
In the last episode we did the Takek loop and now we're on the road to Vientiane.
I think it's going to be the longest 230 kilometres of our lives.
Yeah, the road's not great.
That's polite.
Yeah. Trip.
So we stopped at Paksan. It's about 3 hours from Vientiane. The roads have been not good. Some bits are good, and then all of a sudden, craters, like actual craters.
Yes.
Little car's going all right so far, touch wood.
Yeah.
And we're here for lunch. I'm starving.
Yes, we just found a vegan restaurant. It's called Vegan Healthy House. All right, lunch has arrived. We got chicken lard stuff and some other thing. It's all vegan, of course. And we've got another dish coming still. Noodles. It's so delicious. Yum yum. That looks yummy. Hey.
You're not getting any? Bye.
Bye. Thanks. That was really delicious. It was the best food we've had so far in Laos and Cambodia. Yes. So if you're doing the Takek loop from Vientiane, I recommend stopping off here on the way.
Definitely. 110,000 kip.
How's the drive so far?
It's fantastic. The roads are getting better. I can't see a thing.
We've arrived at Vientiane. The roads were crazy, and now we're going to have vegan tempeh burgers at the greenhouse. Tempeh burger. We're having breakfast at Coco & Co, which is a vegan restaurant. And I got a lentil soup with homemade focaccia and Moga scrambled tofu.
Delicious.
And watermelon juice and orange juice and coffee. We are at the Vegan Reunion Cafe for dinner and we've ordered some noodles. They look delicious. And we've got some tom yum soup coming. And here is the tom yum soup. That looks very delicious.
And the pineapple juice is delicious.
The pineapple juice. And I like this chili oil. How much was the dinner?
125,000 kip. We're back at Tofu & Co.
No, it's Coco & Co.
Coco & Co. Oh, good.
Okay, let's check out the night markets because Murray needs a new bag. Hopefully we'll find one. Okay, which way should we go?
This way. There's an address for you. Okay, we got what we needed.
Huzzah! Let's go and find a restaurant.
Alright. You make sure he's going in the right direction.
He is. Let's try not to get run over.
Try not to die before dinner.
And here we are at the Vegan Food Centre Cafe.
Looks good.
Vegan Centre Cafe. This looks like the tofu thing that you ordered. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? We probably should have ordered rice. And there's the thing I ordered. It's a vegan duck curry thing.
So you struggle with a knife and a spoon as well as chopsticks.
Yeah, you can't cut things because in Asia you don't get knives at most places. So you have to cut with a fork and a spoon. So we were wrong. That's not the curry duck thing. That's the basil thing. And in here is the curry duck. Ooh. Looks very nice. Yum. Thank you, bye. So, how much was the dinner?
200,000 kip, so it's 14 Australian dollars.
And did you like it?
It was excellent. Best food we've had in Vientiane.
Yes, agreed.
Now we've got to find our way home.
Oh boy.
In the dark.
It's quite far. We're at the vegetarian food buffet restaurant. There is no buffet, so we've ordered food instead. Hopefully it's yummy. We'll find out.
Buffet, that's not
I'm hungry. I ordered this delicious soup. It's really, really yummy with kaffir lime and lots of yummy flavours and chilli, which is nice. And Mary got this tofu rice one.
And coriander soup.
Yeah, cool.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
They have a little supermarket as well.
Cool.
Ooh, sausages. Whoa.
Yeah, but we're going to Luang Prabang.
I'm going to have to get some to go take back to Thailand. And they've got dry stuff as well. Look at all the TVP. Oh.
They got more stuff on there. Oh, that must be when they have the buffet.
Yeah. Look at all the TVP.
If you need TVP, that's a good spot to get it.
Yes. Yum yum.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. And the sign.
There you go.
Oh.
There you go. Read that.
Oh, here, show this. Up close.
There. So Murray, how much was the lunch? Well, it was 123,000 kip.
And did you like it?
Yeah, I would come back.
I liked the curry soup thing. It was delicious. There you go. Cute little doggy. Check out this thingy. How good does it look? So fancy.
It is chia seeds, granola and fruit.
Cool. And yes, I have had the lentil soup every morning.
And the tofu.
Yeah, these two dishes are really delicious. So, and a great way to start the day.
Thank you.
Alright, burgers.
I told you, didn't I?
Very, very small. The potatoes look amazing. They do look delicious. We're back at the Vegan Centre Cafe for lunch, and today they have a buffet. Yum, yum. That looks yummy.
It is delicious. I couldn't wait.
Dessert. Oh, and they got other stuff here too.
Thank you.
Hooray, a buffet. So much yummy food. And all sorts of products too.
Vegan. Everything.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Bye. How much was the lunch?
120,000 kip, so that's just under 10 Australian dollars.
Delicious too.
Okay, that's an end to another video.
Yes, and in the next episode we are catching the bullet train to Luang Prabang.
Okay, let's go.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye.